Please, just tell me who you are. I gotta talk to you. Can I call you? What's your number? I don't know how to swim. I don't know how to swim. Come back. Oh, why didn't I learn how to swim? Please, just...
What do you mean?
Before I met you, I was in Little League. And I rode my bike to school, and I played with my friends and hung out with them. And
Josh, what are you talking about?
I want to go home. I miss my family, Susan, and I want to go home.
We're gonna win. We're gonna win!
You're gonna lose. You stink. You're gonna lose.
Got him!
Shrimp, coconut shrimp, pepper shrimp, shrimp soup, shrimp stew, shrimp salad, shrimp and potatoes, shrimp burger, shrimp sandwich. That's about it.
Just want to leave it here so they can ambush the next company that comes along?
No, sir, that's not what I'm saying. I'm simply saying it seems like an unnecessary risk given our objective, sir.
Our objective is to win the war.
Sir, I just, I don't have a good feeling about this one.
When was the last time you felt good about anything?
Determines actively our ability to understand the present. So, how do we sift truth from belief? How do we write our own histories, personally or culturally, and thereby define ourselves? How do we penetrate years, centuries of historical distortion to find original truth? Tonight, this will be our quest.
No, it's my fault for leaving you guys. From now on, we stick together.
But Andy's leaving for college.
College? I'm the mailman. We gotta get you home before Andy leaves tomorrow.
Tomorrow? But that means...
It means we're busting out of here tonight.
What? Impossible.
But there's no way out of here.
No, there is one way out.